Welcome to the garden. I'm Diane Meadows with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service in Weiss County, bringing educational opportunities to our community and schools through the Better Living for Texans program and the Learn, Grow, Eat and Go curriculum. In this series, we will learn ways to grow our own food, the nutritional information about that food, and how to incorporate this food into your diet to have a better, healthier you. Today we're going to look at how to prepare our radishes in our garden and how to store them so that we keep them nice and fresh. To prepare your radishes, we have already washed these and we're just cutting the tips off and trimming the greens. So we're just going to put these in the colander and I'll put those out in the compost bin later. To store them in the refrigerator properly, they need to stay moist. So I've wet some paper towels here and I will place this wet paper towel in my baggie. Then I place one row of radishes on that paper towel. Fold it over to cover the radishes. So you'll take and make another row of radishes with the paper towel, laying it in the paper towel and cover it, keeping them nice and covered. And finally my last set. The last step is to mash all the air out of the bag and seal it. And it's ready to put in the fridge. Okay, now that we have our radishes put in the refrigerator, let's take a look at nutrition. Radishes are a root vegetable. They are high in water content and contain a variety of essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. They have less starch than any of the other root vegetables, such as potatoes or parsnips. They're low in calories and high in fiber and are an excellent source of vitamin C. Now let's join Jackie in the kitchen and find out how to use radishes in a wonderful recipe.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline Gonzalez with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service in Weiss County, and I'm an extension agent with the Better Living for Texans program and provide free food, nutrition, and physical activity information for people with limited resources. This material was funded by the USDA Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and to learn more about SNAP or apply for benefits, you can visit yourtexasbenefits.com. But first, I would like to share with you some food safety tips. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Rinse your hands and dry with a clean towel. Make sure your countertop is properly clean. You can wash your vegetables in running water only. Today, I'm going to prepare a fun recipe using some of the rainbow colors. Choose one or more fruits or vegetables from each color group. Use what you have available in your fridge. I'm going to start with using 2 cups of spinach because contain a high concentration of iron. Also, is rich in vitamin C as well as vitamin K, which helps anchor calcium in the bones. I love this rich green color. 1 cup of sliced carrots. Carrots have a number of health benefits, are weight loss friendly food, and improve eye health. Now, 1 cup of sliced cucumbers from the green group are fruit that are used as vegetable. They are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals, contains antioxidants, and promote hydration. Next, bell pepper can be eaten either raw or cooked, are low in calories and rich in vitamin C. I have 1 cup of chopped orange from the fruit group, are a healthy source of fiber and vitamin C. Also have multiple health benefits. From the red group, I have radishes. 1/2 cup serving of sliced radishes contains about 12 calories, no fat. Also give you 1 gram of fiber. So eating a couple servings each day helps you reach your daily fiber intake goal. Now, let's prepare the dressing. I like to experiment with flavor. So I'm using 4 teaspoons of 100% pineapple juice. Half a teaspoon of honey and 5 finely chopped fresh mint leaves. Mix all together and add it to the salad until dressing is evenly distributed. Hope you like it. Enjoy it.